Hey everyone! Welcome back to AI Geeked. If you've ever thought about starting your own fan model business, but felt like you just don't have enough time to be chatting with followers all day, or maybe you're not that confident when it comes to selling content yourself, then this video is for you. Imagine being able to automate everything, from chatting with fans to selling content, and even making money while you sleep. Sounds unreal, right? Well, that's exactly what dFans promises to help you do. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. I'll show you how to sign up, set up your chatbot, upload your content, and even make your first sale. So let's dive in and find out if dFans really lives up to the hype. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be taken directly to the dFans dashboard. Right away, you'll notice that the platform has a clean and easy-to-use interface. To get started, just click the Become a Creator button. From there, you can either sign up using your email address or simply log in with your Google account. I'll be using the Google option for this walkthrough. After you've signed up, you'll land on your Creator dashboard. Here, you'll need to fill in a few basic details like your username, your country, and the region you're in. You'll also be asked to choose the type of content you want to create. This could be anything from gaming, music, and dance to fitness or lifestyle content. There's also an optional section where you can add links to your other fan pages, like FanView or OnlyFans if you already have those set up. Then you'll be asked how you found out about dFans. You can choose from platforms like Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or Google. I'll select YouTube for this demo. There's also a field to enter an invitation code if you have one. Otherwise, just leave it blank. Once you've filled out all the required info, go ahead and click the Submit button. A pop-up will appear letting you know your creator account has been approved. And just like that, you're in. The next step is to click the Create Subscription Types button to continue. Now it's time to set up your profile. This is the part that fans will see when they visit your page, so it's a good idea to make it look personal and appealing. You can start by uploading a profile picture, entering your display name, and writing a short headline or bio to introduce yourself. You'll also need to set your location. Once your profile information is filled in, you can move on to creating your first subscription tier. To create a subscription tier, click on the Subscription Title button. On the subscription tier setup page, you'll be asked to enter a title for your tier. Then, set the monthly price for your subscription. Next, add the benefits that come with the tier so your subscribers know what they're getting. Once everything is filled out, click Save to lock in your settings. After that, scroll down to the subscription bundle section, set a discount, and then choose how long the discount will last. Once that's all done, click the Save button again. Now, you've successfully created your profile, your subscription tier, and your first promotional offer. Everything is ready for you to start earning. After you finish setting up your subscription, click the Save button to continue to the next step. Next, click on the Chat tab. This section is where you can set up how you interact with your fans. One important option here is to limit who can send you messages. For example, you can choose to only allow paid subscribers to message you by turning on the Don't Allow Messages from Free Followers toggle. You can also set a welcome message that will be sent automatically when someone becomes your fan. Just type something like, "Hello everyone, welcome to my page," and hit Save. Now comes one of the coolest parts of dFans, the AI Chat Companion. This feature lets you create your own AI chatbot that chats with fans and sells your content for you. To set up your AI bot, simply enter your name, choose your gender, optionally add your birth date, and select the language you want your bot to use. Once everything is filled in, click Save to activate your AI chatbot. Now let's upload some content that your chatbot can sell during conversations. Click on the Upload button, select the photo or image you want to sell, give it a title, and then set the price. Hit Save, and just like that, your content is ready to be sold automatically by your chatbot during chats. Let's take a quick look at some of the other features in your dashboard. Click on the Home tab to find several useful tools. The Message button allows you to manage how your chat layout looks. The Collections button gives you insights like how many purchases you've had, how many fans you've gained, and how many followers or blocked users you have. You'll also find a section to manage your posts. Mine is empty right now since this is a brand new account. There's also a Subscriptions tab to review your offers, and the My Wallet tab where you can see all your earnings. Inside the Wallet section, you can view your wallet address and check your balances in different cryptocurrencies like USDT, ETH, and SOL. Moving on, let's check out the Vault tab. This is where all your media files, messages, posts, and even AI chatbot conversations are stored. It's a great place to manage all your content in one central location. After that, head over to the Statistics tab to view a detailed breakdown of your performance. You'll see data about your earnings, how many shares your content has gotten, audience reach, and referral stats. It's all neatly organized so you can keep track of how well you're doing. If you want to plan ahead and schedule your posts, you can use the Queue tab. This opens up a calendar where you can choose the date and time you want a post to go live. You just add your post, set the schedule, and click once to publish it later. Super helpful if you like to stay organized. Finally, make sure to check out the More tab. This section includes extra settings and features that you might find useful as you grow your fan page. Overall, dFans is a super helpful and easy-to-use platform for creators who want to automate their chat, sell content without hassle, and manage their entire fan business from one simple dashboard. If you want to try it out, the sign-up link is down in the video description. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.